Integrals of the sum. Integrals of the some specific functions. So here the first function is integration of a square minus x square. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square. Today we will spend completely on this, and I will make you to learn here itself, because if I give the chance to you to learn at home, then you are not learning. I will make you to revise all the formulas and all the things in the class itself today, and then after we will go to the exercise here. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square, and this is equals to, actually this is equals to 1 by 2a logarithm of modulus, and this most of the students will have that only, x minus a by x plus a, x plus a by x minus a. ये कंफ्यूजन ज्यादा लोगों को, ये याद रखने के लिए मेरे हिसाब से प्रूफ पे जाना है. If you go for the proof, then it is an easy task for you to remember. So proof में क्या होगा? This is equals to, originally you are going to have x minus a by x plus a plus c. So this is one. So how do you prove this one? So very simple. You have to split this one in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equals to integration of 1 by x plus a into x minus a dx. And this you have to write x minus a by x minus a in the form of, in the what form? Split karna hai. So numerator mein, just in the previous problem I told you, in the exercise we have solved, that is a motivation for this problem, this model. We have multiplied sin a minus b in the numerator and denominator. Here also, ये दोनों को add कर लो, नहीं तो ये दोनों को subtract कर लो. If you try to subtract these two, what do you get here? X plus a minus x minus a. What do you get here? X will get cancelled. A plus a, 2a आ जाएगा. 2a can be written as like this. If you are having this in the numerator, ये numerator में हो गया. Suppose by x plus a into x minus a, by x minus a x plus a into x minus a. देखो ये x plus a cancel, x minus a cancel. Then you are going to get 1 by x minus a by 1 by x plus a. We are splitting this in the product form to sum form. This is, we are splitting into product form to sum. But here, from where do we get this one, sir? ये extra 2a चाहिए हमको. So 2a है, ये 2a है, ऊपर 2a होगा. So that is, this is a motivation. If you are having this in the form of, so that is nothing but these two will be there. अब back to front आ जाओ, इसको split कर लो. Suppose if you want to split like this, ये याद नहीं हो रहा है. Suppose if you are not able to remember this, you write this one as a 1 by x plus a minus 1 by x minus a. Suppose first reverse order में आ जाओ. ये ऐसा वाला चाहिए हमको. This one is needed to us. Product to sum, but ये directly नहीं लिख सकते. We cannot write directly. Just so, this is, I am explaining to you to motivate you how to remember directly instead of remembering. So what do you write here? इसको simplify करो. Denominator में क्या आ जाएगा? X plus a into x minus a आ जाएगा. Numerator में क्या? X minus a minus x plus a आ जाएगा. So minus 2a आ जाएगा इधर. So minus 2a आ रहा है तो plus 2a होता है तो अच्छा है. So you do here x minus a, here x plus a. So what you get here x plus a आ जाएगा, here x minus a. अब minus 2a आ गया. So what do you get? This one is equals to 2a by x plus a into x minus a. So this is can be written as 1 by 2a. We want this one. इसको modify करना है. ये चाहिए. So इसको 1 by 2a से divide कर दिया. इसको 1 by 2a से divide कर दिया. So then you are going to get this one. So like this you have to motivate yourself. So why do you multiply 1 by 2a in the numerator and denominator? Means the reason is this one. So 1 by 2a here multiply करो and 2a here ले लो. both दोनों same हो जाते हैं. Both will be the same. Okay? ये 2a will get cancelled. I am not changing. And this I am writing as a 1 by 2a I am x minus x plus a minus x minus a I am writing by x plus a into x minus a. Can I write like this? Previously, in the previous problem, in the previous exercise, we have solved 1 by sin a minus b we have taken here, and here also sin a minus b we have taken. And in this a minus b we wrote as x minus a into x minus b. Sorry, x minus b minus x minus a. Like this we have written. Do you remember? See here, one is interlinked with that. Everything you have to go on learning. Otherwise, it is not useless. It is useless. So here dx हो जाएगा. अब इसको split कर लो. So 1 by 2a into integration of x plus a by x plus a into x minus a minus x minus a by x plus a into x minus a dx. So what do you get here? X plus a, x plus a, x minus a, x minus a. We will get the answer 1 by 2a. 1 by x minus a, that is nothing but log x minus a modulus minus log x plus a. So what do you get plus c? X minus a, x plus a. So you can write here 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the proof for this. Did you understand? Is it visible to you? समझ में आया? अनुराग, Ranmai? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So here, if you try to remember the proof, ऐसा proof याद रख लिया, तो then it is a little bit easy to you in case if you forget also. If you forget the formula, even you say that if you ask me suddenly, as I am teaching now here from these many years, so I may remember this one. These all 1 by x square minus x square. But suddenly, all of sudden, if you are asking me, little bit confusion हो जाएगा. So मैं क्या करता हूँ? ये याद रखने के लिए x minus a by x plus a और x plus a by x minus a. ये confusion तो 100% रहेगा. Most of the students में. So ये this is the first one. Next one है under root of a square minus x square होगा. Under root of a square minus x square. So a square minus x square कैसे होगा? How do we get a square minus x square? A square minus x square में इधर x minus x square minus a square है. So ये proof है. Suppose in the same procedure split करना है. Split करके आप experiment करते जाए तो then the second one you will do. Second one is under root of a square minus x square dx is equals to same 1 by 2a log of उधर x minus a by x plus a आया है. Here you will get a plus x by a minus x. How do you remember? See here 1 by a plus x minus 1 by a minus x लिखो. Confusion होता है तो simple. आप लोगों का ये सी है easy way remembering क्या है? ये पहले में x बाद में, इधर ये पहले x बाद में आएगा. ये तो पक्का है. Okay? So now here see here, but a plus x by a minus x होगा, a minus x by a plus x होगा. ये डाउट होता है बहुत ज्यादा. So ये याद रखने के लिए, so to remember that thing, 1 by a plus x minus 1 by a minus x, because numerator में है तो लागत में अप्लाई करिए तो यही आ जाएगा. ये लिखो. So what do you get here? a plus x, a minus x. ये a minus x इधर होगा, ये a plus x इधर होगा. तो ये minus x है, minus ये कैंसिल होगा. And you are going to get here minus x minus 2x आ रहा है. So minus 2x आ रहा है. ये confusion हो सकता है. a plus x by a minus x if you are taking. Split कर लो. If you are splitting this in the form, but minus is there. As you are having here minus. Whenever you are doing the integration, minus हो जाएगा. इसका reverse में होता है. If you are seeing this proof, ये इसका proof देखो. इसका proof देख लिया तो what you can do? Under root of 1 by a plus x into a minus x dx. 1 by 2a. हमको 2a आना है. 2a आना है तो न्यूमरेटर में क्या लिखना है? a आना है. ये भी याद रख सकते हैं. 2a. So 2a आना है तो a plus x minus a minus x. 2a आएगा? No. This is 2a में आएगा. 2x आ जाएगा. a plus x by a minus x if you are taking into consideration. Okay? So if you are taking a plus h by a minus x, if you are taking, but what do you get here? 2a you are not going to get. 2a आएगा, देखो a cancel होगा, x plus x 2x you are going to get. So this should not be there in the numerator. Numerator में हमको 2a, इधर 2a, 2a को कैसे स्प्लिट कर सकते हैं? a plus x, a minus x. Using a plus x and a minus x only, how can you split that one? How can you split that one? That you thinking. Minus नहीं लेना है, प्लस लेना है. If you take a plus x plus a minus x ले लो, what do you get? a plus x by a minus x, 2a आ गया. So this can be split like that. So ये split कर लिया by a plus x into a minus x, by a plus x into a minus x. So now a plus x, a plus x, a minus x, a minus x will get. But here you are going to get logarithm of a minus x. But here you are having minus, so minus you are going to get. ये denominator में आ रहा है, ये denominator. So here to remember what to do, whichever a minus x है ना, a minus x, minus वाला denominator में आएगा, because minus वाला denominator में चलेगा. So this is a second identity, second function in inverse trigonometric function. Sorry, some specific functions if you are taking. The next thing is very easy. X square plus a square dx. This one, in the place of x you substitute tan theta. In the place of x you substitute tan theta, then automatically you are going to get it. And this is equals to, this is in what form it is looking like? Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by 1 plus x square equal to integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is equals to integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is equals to
tan x.
tan
10x.
inverse.
Tan inverse of x. Tan inverse of.
Integration of 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is equals to sin inverse of x. Integration of minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is equals to cos inverse of x. Integration of 1 by 1 plus x square is equals to tan inverse of x. Minus होता है तो cot inverse of x होता है. Integration of 1 by mod x into under root of x square minus 1 is equals to secant inverse of x. Minus होता है तो cosec inverse of x. Why I told this one, you know? Now again revise. I am selfish. I will be revised more number of times. आप लोग भी ऐसा रिवाइज करते जाना है. एक फॉर्मूला याद आया है, उसका रिलेटेड वाला सारा एक बार रिवाइज करना है. This is the thing you need to do. So it is looking like in this form, but in the place of 1a you are having. So you are going to get this one as a 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. X by a आ जाएगा. If you write this one, a square common ले लो. Here a square common ले लो. 1 by x by a whole square आ जाएगा. 1 by x by a whole square हो जाएगा. So a square common ले लिया है, but उसको x by a है. So x by a denominator में आ जाएगा. So 1 by a you are going to get. Otherwise you take the x is equals to a tan theta. A tan theta substitute कर लो. Then you are going to get the required answer in this way. So this is a one, okay, and like this also we are going to have sin inverse x by a, sin inverse x by a. So the fourth one is, you can remember that integration of 1 by under root of a square minus x square dx. Under root होगा ये, do remember that here, under root of a square minus x square. So here what to do, x is equals to a sin theta. ये देखो मैच हो रहा है ना थोड़ा. x का 1 का प्लेस में ये है. In the place of 1 you are having a. So you are going to get this one is equals to sin inverse of x by a. x का प्लेस में a sin theta ले लो. Automatically you will get it. In the place of x here a tan theta ले लो. You are going to get the required. समझ में आया? So this is equals to sin inverse of x by a plus c. Here you are not going to have 1 by a. 1 by a नहीं है. Just only sin inverse of x by a. Substitute करके check करो. If you are checking that, you are going to get. And next fifth one is integration of under root of x square minus a square. Sorry, dx is equals to. Here this is equals to logarithm of modulus x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c you are going to get. X square minus a square. Here a square minus x square. Okay, ये आने के लिए you need to substitute it is in the form of secant theta. ये secant theta substitute करो here. If you are substituting ये secant theta in the place of secant theta substitute करके then check करो. Substitution method only here, and you are going to get the required result. It is very simple proof here. You can do these problems very easily. So and you have to remember. And easy way to remember is what here x plus you are going to have. So apart from this, you are having the last one is under root of 1 plus a. देखो a square minus x square हो गया, x square minus a square हो गया under root वाला. Next you are going to have under root में what is left over a square plus x square. A square plus x square you can write, x square plus a square you can write. Both are same only, not different. This is equals to logarithm of x plus under root of same इधर आ जाएगा. x square plus a square you can write और a square plus x square plus c. ये प्रूफ करने के लिए x is equals to tan theta सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. इसमें x is equals to ये tan theta here, ये secant theta here सब्स्टिट्यूट करना because secant square theta minus a square आएगा. Secant square theta minus 1 tan square theta आ जाएगा. So that easily you will able to do this problem. And in this ये sin theta सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. X is equals in this x is equals to ये tan theta सब्स्टिट्यूट करना है. ये tan theta. To remember this. So these are the main 6 formulas to you to find out the integrations. Apart from that, still models will be there, different models. So I'm going to explain to you the models, but that models also will be helpful to you with the help of this. If you remember these 6 identities in easiest way. Now itself I will ask you one by one how you have to remember in any way, revise in any way, revise करना. Integration of, see, मैं बिना देख के मैं बता रहा हूँ. If you ask me that, then I will explain to you. In the integration of 1 by x square minus a square. So x square minus a square is there. So x square minus a square is nothing. But आप लोग कैसे याद रखना है? X minus a by x plus a और x plus a by x minus a. ये confusion बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. To avoid that confusion, I told you 2a आना है. ये तो पता है हम लोगों को. तो न्यूमरेटर में भी 2a होगा. न्यूमरेटर में भी 2a होगा. 2a आने के लिए what to do here? X minus a. If you are taking x, yes, x minus a minus x plus a. Just assume that. If you assume that, what do you get here? Minus 2a आ रहा है. It is you are getting minus 2a ना ये. So minus 2a बोलो तो ये ऐसा है. इधर प्लस लेना है, here minus है. इधर प्लस ले लिया तो डिनोमिनेटर में वो आएगा. So x plus a वाला कैंसिल होगा. So डिनोमिनेटर में x minus a. So x minus a पहले जाएगा. ये ऐसा एनालाइज करना है. How much time it took? 1 minute only. Within a 1 minute you will be able to recall that. 1 minute only it took to do this one. So most of the students will have the confusion that ये this is x minus a by x plus a होगा, x plus a by x minus a होगा. To avoid this confusion, that is only the way to do you to remember. Next second one, integration of under root of under root not integration of x square minus a square dx is equals to 1 by 2a logarithm of x minus a by x plus a. And second formula to remember a square minus x square. Minus वाला denominator में आएगा. ये याद रखो. a minus x, a plus x. So a plus x numerator में, a minus x denominator में. 1 by 2a logarithm of a plus x by a minus x. And next after trigonometry वाला है. ये trigonometry ये दोनों याद रखने के लिए trigonometric वाला inverse trigonometric identities. If you remember, then it is an easy task. Integration of x square plus a square plus a 1 plus x square form में है. So tan 1 by a tan inverse x by a. And the integration of under root of a square minus x square is equals to Sin inverse of x by a. Sin inverse of x by a. Okay. So this is a way, easy way you have to choose to remember. To remember in easiest way, what is the easiest way? Otherwise blindly आँख बंद करके अब ऐसे पढ़ लिया तो कुछ नहीं याद होता है तो एक दिन में याद होता है. You have to try to remember it permanently, and to avoid the confusion, what to do. These all the things you have to सोचना. You have to think about it. Okay. So next, x square plus a square, 1 by under root of x square a square minus x square, and under root of x square minus a square, under root of a square plus x square. So ये दोनों तो easy है. ये it is in the form of, ये दोनों trigonometry वाला, ये दोनों logarithms है. Logarithms similar way है ना. And how do we prove it? X equal to a constant. The next seventh model of the problem is, if the question is given to you in any way like this, integration of dx by ax square plus bx plus c, like this. This exercise is very lengthy exercise. Problems are lengthy but all are easy. This is in the form of a quadratic expression if it is given. A quadratic expression if it is given. And that you have to write in the form of completing square method. Completing square method mein karna hai. Completing square method is nothing but what to do here. This you have to write in the form of something square minus something square, or something square plus something square, like that. You are going to get any one of these forms. ये तीनों में किसी एक फॉर्म में वो आ जाएगा, उस फॉर्म में लेके आना है. So as an example, I will take you one example. I will take you. Suppose in the denominator it is given to x square minus 4x plus 3 दे दिया. So ये denominator वालों को, so denominator में क्या है? X square minus 4x plus 3. Actually this can be written in the form of split कर सकते हैं. This can be split in the form of x minus 3, x minus 1. X minus 3, x minus 1. So you are going to get this one in the product form. इसके जैसा product form में directly आ जाएगा. Without, means suppose if you are having here 2 is there. इसको क्या करना है? So here completing square method is nothing but x square है. ये square है ना? Then after minus 2ab from 2, a है. B, what is B? We don't know here. Okay. So b value, completing square method is nothing but b value here we don't know that. What is a b value here? B value can be what here? ये आना है, so b value can be taken as a 2 because 4x हमको आना है. We need to get 4. 4x आना है तो then we, if you take here 2 is fixed in the formula 2ab. A is fixed here. 2ab form, a square minus 2ab form. So b is fixed. So 2 square add कर लो and the 2 square subtract कर लो and ये plus 2 here लिखो. Did you understand this? What I did? मैंने ये क्या कर लिया समझ में? Completing square method. If you know that perfectly, then you will be able to do this. ये क्या है? सब completely x minus 2 whole square है. ये minus 4 plus 2 minus 4. So now if you see that this completely you consider as a t. T consider करो, कुछ भी consider करो, then it is right only. Because x minus 2, if you consider as a t, dx is equals to dt हो जाएगा. So no problem, you can keep it as it is. Now it is in the what form here? It is x minus 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square. ये denominator में होगा ना, x minus 2 whole square minus root 2 whole square, x square minus a square. तो x का प्लेस में x minus 2 है, ये का प्लेस में root 2. So like this you have to make the given equation by completing square method. Blindly you are not supposed to do anything. Completing square method बोलते हैं. So completing square method में करना. Suppose if this is only given to you as it is, completing square method में how do we do? Suppose sir ax square plus bx plus c only given to you. So how do you do? How can we do? पहले ये कॉमन ले लो इसमें. So x square plus b by a x plus c by a. Constant a. Okay. Now here completing square method बोले तो x square है. 2 फिक्स करना है. इधर x है, x लिखना है. 2x हो गया, but here what do we have means b by a x आ जाएगा. इधर b by 2a if you take b by 2a, ये 2 will get cancelled, b by a x. So b by 2a क्या होगा, b a square plus 2ab plus b square. So b by 2a को whole square को ऐड कर रहा हूँ, b by 2a whole square को subtract कर रहा हूँ, plus c by a as it is I am writing. समझ में आया? Is it okay? Now here what do you get here? This is equal to x square. This here to here, sorry, here to here you can write as a x plus b by 2a whole square minus, otherwise plus c by a minus b square by 4a square. If you want you can simplify this one. ये पूरा constant है. This is completely a constant. So this whatever you will get numbers में आ जाएगा तो आपको easy लगेगा. ये now it is in the form of a, इसको can I write under root लिख के whole square लिख सकते हैं? Yes. Now it is in the form of x square plus a square. X square plus a square. 1 by a tan inverse x by a. इस फॉर्म, इस तीनों में किसी एक फॉर्म में लेके आ सकते हैं. If you are taking into consider this into the form. Okay? समझ में आया? ये मॉडल एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते समय easily you will be able to understand this one. You will be able to understand in easiest way while solving the problem. This is one model, and if you are having under root, same thing, dx by under root of ax square, a quadratic expression, ax square plus bx plus c you are having under root. So under root में ये तीनों में एक फॉर्म में सेम मॉडल, इसको कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर मेथड में लेना है. समथिंग स्क्वायर प्लस माइनस समथिंग स्क्वायर, सम कांस्टेंट स्क्वायर, some x square, and something is nothing but x minus 2a or x plus 3a, like that you are going to get. So this is another form, eighth model you are going to have. So now different form is, if an expression is given to you, the expression if it is given to you in the form of some linear expression in the numerator and in the denominator quadratic expression, ax square plus bx plus c dx, in the numerator linear expression, in the denominator quadratic expression. So in this situation what to do? You have to write this one into the form of a px plus q can be written as, px plus q should be written as some, you take this one a into d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c plus b, d by dx of ax square plus bx plus c. So now what do you get here? Let us consider करना है इसका इंटीग्रेशन, सॉरी डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है वो न्यूमरेटर में लेना है. सो नाउ हियर ये इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा, डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है 2ax plus b plus c, 2ax plus b plus c. So some a and b values आप फाइंड आउट करना है. So a and b values how do we find out? Like terms together ले लो. And how do we find out that coefficients, all the coefficients of x you take together? There what you have 2ax plus capital A to a. So this is equals to x coefficient. X coefficient इधर क्या है p है. So this is equals to p. 2a is equals to p. So we want capital A. Capital A is equals to p by 2a. Okay, and this is constant. Here constant. ab plus b is equals to q. And a value b by 2a, a value हम b need b value. So a value b by 2a इधर लिखो. a p by 2a into b plus b is equals to q. By solving the problem like this, b value you have to evaluate. Numbers होता है तो थोड़ा easy लगता है, ये confusion हो रहे होगा. While taking the numbers will, and the a and b values you have to substitute here. So and we have to proceed the problem. ये प्रॉब्लम लेंथ बहुत बड़ा होता है बट इट इज वेरी सिंपल. प्रॉब्लम लेंथ इज मोर बट नॉट वेरी डिफिकल्ट. अब उसके बाद क्या करना है, ये एंड बी वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करने के बाद आफ्टर सब्स्टिट्यूटिंग ए एंड बी वैल्यूज, ये इज इक्वल, ये न्यूमरेटर वाला कैन बी रिटन एज सम a into d by dx of denominator वाला function f of x1 means d by dx of f of x can be written as f dash of x. इसको f of x मैं मान रहा हूँ, इसको f of x. So either f dash of x, a f dash of x by f of x plus b by f of x. Like this, I'm going to get. If I split the numerator linear expression like this, a into f dash of x. So what is the integration of f dash of x by f of x? Logarithm of mod f of x. First part हो गया. ये क्या होगा? a into logarithm of mod f of x. So that is nothing but इधर क्या है वो इधर आ जाएगा. But a value क्या है वो फाइंड करो. a is equals to p by 2a आएगा. And b value like this only. Here इसमें ये simplify करके तो capital B value you are going to get. And that capital B value if you substitute here some constant है वो. And the denominator में you are going to get again 1 by f of x. f of x is nothing but ये. Again ये. इसको कैसे कर दिया? Completing square method है. So the second part में completing square method apply करना है. In the second part completing square method apply करना है. Completing square method apply करके proceed करना है. वो problem length होता है बहुत ज़्यादा. And apart along with this, still we are going to have the last model is 10th one. 10th one is sec dx plus q by under root of ax square plus dx plus c dx. So ये कैसे करना है? Same model. In the numerator we have to take into consider px plus q. ऊपर में कैसे कर ले? px plus q is equals to differentiation of the ax square plus bx plus c you have to take. Same a into d by dx of this one plus b. अब उसको split करना है. Then we are going to get the required answers. So these are the model of the problems we are going to have, and exercise problems tomorrow we will start. Based on these exercise problems are very easy. The only complication is here you are going to have these model problems. Complication ही भी नहीं है, that they are not complicated. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाना है और concentration more होना है. Problem length ज़्यादा होता है. So we cannot do anything. There is no other alternative. Easy method क्या है बोले तो ये सब याद रखना है. अभी a is equal to p by 2a में I have extracted a is equals to p by 2a. Like the b value you have to extract, and a and b values you have to remember and replace करना है. उससे बेहतर means better is the method के साथ जाना अच्छा है. So now I will give some time to you. Everyone, you revise these formulas now here itself. I want you to remember these are very essential, and afterwards I will erase it. After erasing 2 minutes, 5 minutes enough to you. 5 minutes time may there on. Those who are present now, they are all from here itself. You read and write. That is up to yourself, but you have to learn. My intention is to you people to learn here itself. If I ask you that integration of x square minus a square, then you should be ready to give the answer as a 1 by 2a x square. थोड़ा लेट दे दिया तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है सर. x square minus a square है ना, 1 by 2a log x minus a by x plus a. Yes, first one is, second one is very easy to remember because a minus x है ना, a square minus x square है ना, minus वाला नीचे आ जाएगा. इवन ये माइनस वाला नीचे आ गया तो माइनस वाला ऊपर आ जाएगा. फर्स्ट वन. सो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x square minus a square dx is equals to 1 by 2a logarithm of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Integration of a square minus x square 1 by sorry. Apart from this, next we are going to have ये सारा न्यूमरेटर में जाएगा. अंडर रूट ऑफ a square minus x square न्यूमरेटर में. Still other model of problems we are going to have. Next model. पहले these I want you people to learn. I am giving a 5 minutes. I will be very quiet 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes के बाद और 5 minutes I will ask the questions. Now you learn here itself. थोड़ा टाइम लेके 5 मिनट्स में सीख लो. अभी मैं पूछ लूंगा क्वेश्चंस, एक एक को पूछ लूंगा सारा लोगों को. Are you learning?
Yes, sir.
दिख रहा है ना clearly? ये just six.
Yes, sir.
Just I am asking you 6 to revise, means remember. These 6 formulas are very important, and based on that only tomorrow, next class, we are going to have a exercise problems. But if you don't know this one, proofs yaad nahi ho to no problem, but at least you have to remember this. And in the Google Classroom, I will give an assignment. Every formula, these 6 formulas, everyone have to write 5 times. After learning, you write 5 times and submit. These 6 only. Some specific angles or some specific functions. Means specific functions is nothing but some models, different model may have. Okay, I'll be quiet. You learn. ओके, हो गया? Piyush? Okay, Abhishek, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What you have written on the paper, show it to me. पेपर में लिखा है और वैसे पढ़ लिया? Have you written on a paper? आपका कैमरा ऑन करके ऐसा दिखा सकते हैं ना? Okay, back camera. Yes, very good. You have written, very good. That's enough. Bipasha, you back camera.
Yes,
Left. Show me. Okay. Did you learn it?
yes, sir.
Huh?
Wait, sir. How to show the camera? Wait, sir.
Very good. आप लिख दिए, कोई problem? Very good. Good. That's enough. But I think you have written in a rough paper.
Yes, sir. It's in my home copy. I have written. Just now I have written. That's why.
Vectors ऊपर देख रहा हूँ मैं. Vectors.
हाँ?
Vectors दिख रहे हैं ऊपर.
ये फिजिक्स का कॉपी है सर. फिजिक्स का कॉपी में लिखा था मैंने. अभी लिखा है इसलिए कॉपी नहीं मिल रहा था.
Maths copy नहीं है, because you need to see here while learning the maths notes you need to keep in front of you and you have to go on writing. कुछ भी मिल रहे तो इधर नहीं लिखना. Okay.
Okay.
Anurag, show me the work. You show me your work, Anurag. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Showing, sir.
Not clear? Okay. Yes, it is visible. Good. Okay. Vipasha, you shown. Vipasha, Glory. Okay, see here, just it is not forcefully I'm saying that which is useful to you for your future. If you are learning, the future means it is useful to you. Otherwise, no. Not only here, even if you go for the engineering, there also the integrations and differentiation will not leave you. So these are all mandatory to you. You cannot escape from this. You have to learn it. So please, it is not very forcefully I'm saying that it is necessary to you to learn. I am intimating you. Okay? Thank you, and learn and exercise problems and model of the problems tomorrow we'll see in the next class. Thank you. You can